I almost think that the toughest thing is the societal influences on kids. The influences that come from the media, you know, the influences that come from the environment in which they grow up. And that's whether they're rich or poor. There are different influences, but there are a lot of negative influences in both of those environments. You know, from the rich, you get the kids who grow up in the, you know, I got to have a designer label, and it's the me generation, and it's all about me, me, me. And you've got to fight that situation and try to instill in them certain values and compassion for others who are less fortunate than themselves. And I think that's important to get them involved in volunteer organizations. A lot of schools now mandate that kids have so many volunteer hours before they graduate. And I think that's a good thing. It requires them to think about somebody other than themselves. And I think that of course, on the other side of the spectrum with poor children, you've got the negative environmental influences of gangs and drugs and, you know, all of those things where they're trying to survive in a situation that again is not of their making, but you know, it's like being in a crab barrel, you know, and trying to climb out of that. It's very difficult. So I really think that probably the environmental influences are very strong.